Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about something that's been on my mind lately, the cancellation of Christmas celebrations in the city of Bethlehem. It's such a heartbreaking situation, but I believe it's important to shed light on what's happening. As we all know, the ongoing war in Gaza has had a devastating impact on the entire region. The city of Bethlehem, which Christians believe to be the birthplace of Jesus, is no exception. This year, the streets are empty, devoid of the usual hustle and bustle that comes with the holiday season. Normally, tourists and locals would gather in Bethlehem to mark the festivities. The 4th century church of the Nativity, built over the grotto where Jesus was born, would be filled with people seeking solace and connection. And let's not forget the magnificent 16-meter Christmas tree in the Manger Square, a symbol of hope and joy. But this year, it's a different story. The aftermath of Israel's campaign to eradicate Hamas militants has left Gaza in ruins. The loss of lives, widespread hunger, and homelessness have taken a toll on the entire region. According to reports from the enclave health ministry, nearly 20,000 Gazans have lost their lives. It's heartbreaking to think about the impact this has had on the people of Bethlehem. Christmas is a time for celebration, love, and unity. But this year, those celebrations have been overshadowed by the ongoing conflict. I think it's important for us to remember that behind these headlines are real people, families who have lost loved ones, children who are growing up in a war-torn environment, and communities struggling to rebuild their lives. So as we celebrate our own holiday season, let's take a moment to reflect on the hardships faced by others around the world. Let us use our platforms to raise awareness and support those in need. I hope that one day peace will prevail in the region and the streets of Bethlehem will once again be filled with the sounds of joy and celebration. Until then, let's keep those affected by this conflict in our thoughts and prayers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe and spread love.